So today I wanted to share with you guys two dupes I found for the MAC 187 dual fiber stippling brush. And this is the MAC one. So before I start, a little bit of a talk. It's not exactly fair to compare these brushes equally. The MAC one cost $42, but the ones that I have, the Coastal Scents ones, I have the Coastal Scents black stippling brush and the Coastal Scents silver stippling brush. They cost $7.95, so they're less than 1/5 of the price. So it's not fair to say that, oh, one of them, that it can be, just as good as the MAC, because it's not. But so the first one I'm going to talk about is the silver one, and I'll show you them. The one on this one right here is the MAC, and you can see the MAC one, the white fibers are a little thicker, and if you feel them on your skin, the MAC one, it's a little bit more firm, although it's still very soft. And the Coastal Scents one is a little softer. Now, I find that if you're using this brush to apply powder, it makes no difference. But if you're using using it to apply your liquid foundation or a tinted moisturizer, the MAC one is not going to leave behind any hairs, and it's going to be a little bit easier to kind of blend it. It's going to be a little easier. The Coastal Scents one works very well. I've used it many times for liquids, but you're going to get 1 to 2 hairs on your face. It's something that's going to happen. So if you're willing to peel it off, and you're going to have to blend it a little bit more because the bristles are a little bit softer. The other one, again, I have the MAC one over here, is the black Coastal Scents one. And I think I like the silver one a little better. You can see they look very similar. The weird thing is that with the silver one, the black bristles are like basically the exact same thickness, the same as the MAC one, but the black bristles on the black one is actually, they're just almost as soft as the white ones, so it's a little bit harder. Again, would be just the same for using a light application for a powder, but there will be 1 or 2 hairs every time if you use a liquid or a tinted moisturizer. So the other thing are the heights. So put them flat. The silver one is a lot longer. The MAC one is the shortest, and the black one is a little bit longer. But if you look, the brush, it's almost the exact same for the length of the black and the white bristles. Hit them evenly. But both the Coastal Scents ones are great dupes. If you do not want to spend $42, then by all means get the $7.95 one. Now, bottom line for me is that if you're going to use it for a powder, put on your finishing powder or whatever, or blush, then it makes no difference for me, in my opinion. Go ahead and get the Coastal Scents one, and occasionally if you're going to use a liquid. But if you're going to be using it to apply your liquid foundation every day or almost every day, then I think you should invest in the MAC one. Thanks for listening.